And welcome to the session here again. So we looked at branching and a basic merge in the branching. It was a fast merge because we didn't really had any conflicts. So we discussed on how to show all the branches, how to delete a particular branch. We also talked about how do you really I mean we've not really talked about the pushes as of now, but we looked at how to check out a particular branch and then how do you merge. So it's always this branch to that branch, but if you are on this branch, right, then you just have to use the other branch name, and that's all that merging takes. But let's also take a look at a scenario which is going to be not a simple case for merging. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check out another branch. So I'll just check out branch, and I think I'll just call it as a very bad branch because we just wanted to get this. Um, and I'm going to create here modify the README file right here. So let's touch in here, type in README. Or did I just touch it? So code README file, and this is the README file that I have. So I'm going to go to line number 6 and make some modifications on line 6. I'll save this, and what I'll do is I'll make these changes, commit, and I'll make like get status, and you'll notice there is some modified changes right here. I'll just git commit hyphen m, and you can use am of course, and specify the message, and I'll just type in here some changes. Now I'll just kind of move on to the the master branch back again. So just type in here git checkout and the master, and so I've kind of switched onto the master branch right now. And I'll also do the same thing right here. I mean, if you just now notice the well, I mean, just kind of type in here code and do the. I should have closed this rather. I'll just close this once and do this README file here again. So, I mean, it doesn't really contain anything on line number 6 because that happened on line number 6 on the other branch, the very bad branch. But I'm going to make some changes here again, like to make sure they conflict with the very bad branch. Right now, I think once I save this, exit this, and also commit this. So I'll just type in here the same thing, git commit, and I'll just mention this as conflicting changes, just to be sure that that we have explicitly done this. Now, when you try to merge the very bad branch into the master branch, and that could be done using git merge, very bad, and then you notice there is a conflict over here because now the automatic merge has failed, and it's trying to fix the conflicts. It'll not be able to do so, of course. Now, if I just kind of here specify cat and go to the README file, now you'll notice so there's some changes right here, and I'll just make some modification on line number 6. Now this is a very simple change, and because it's a simple change, right, I can go here and manually fix this as well because just one line change. But going on to a complex change and multiple changes in the same file, this could be really a tricky situation. So now I'm going to use what we did the previous time. We'll just use git merge, and I'll just type git merge tool. Remember, the merge tool is already configured, and the I got P4 merging tool right over here, and I'll just get you that merging tool right now. So it contains all the conflicted files. So I mean, all the versions of it actually. So this is the original one, then this is the one that you want to select for the very bad branch, or you just wanted to choose what you did in the make modifications in in line number 2. So you can go here and accept one of them. So maybe I'll save this one, the one right here. Save this, or I might just manually do it from here. So for example, I can just go here and remove this, and this is what I'm going to accept the change as, right? And once you've saved this file, of course, you might just manually want to change this here and save it again. And I'll close this, and now we've kind of done the changes. And if you just go to the git merge tool again, right, there's nothing for merging right now because you've already done it. And then let's just try to do the same thing back here, which is I'll just try and merge very back right here, and it still complains because what I didn't really do is I didn't really commit the change. So I'll just commit git commit hyphen am, and I'm going to specify the commit as resolved the conflicts. And so it's been done on the master branch, and then I can just do here again. And now you notice that's been already up to date. And if I just do git status, we have got this original file still left. So this is what happens with when you merge them. Now you might just want to open up your git ignore, and I'll specify that any file that really contains star dot origin as well. I just wanted to get that also ignored because I don't really want to keep a log of these at all. So I'll just type in here git add git commit ignore the dot origin files, and I'll just that's it possibly. And then if you just do a git status, right, there's nothing on this particular branch right now. So git branches, and I mean there's nothing left on the branch as such, right, as you can see from here. So that's about how do you merge the conflicts if there are any. And I think we'll go into the next video. We'll look at how do we possibly create tags, right? So I'll see you there.